In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change shape border color here in Canva. So I have these shapes already just here. Now, if you don't know how to find shapes, which I'm guessing you already do, you just want to come up to elements just here, and then we can come down to shapes, click on see all, and then we can use any one that we want. But these are the ones that we want to use because this is only going to work on these. Now, once you have your shape like this, to change the border color is very simple. We first want to add a border as well. So we click onto the shape, then we can come up to border style just here. We can choose between a few different styles, with being dashed just like this, or solid. Now, once you've chosen the border that you want, we can play around with the border weight, making it thicker and thinner just like this. And then if we look next to it, this is where we can change that border color. Now we have lots of different options with colors in your project just here, the solid colors as well, and also gradients. Now if you already have a color in mind, we can simply click onto the add a new color icon, and then we can add that hex code color just here. We can also play around with this color palette as well, choosing the color from there. But for this example, let's go with red, just like that. Now let's just do this on these last two shapes as well. We're going to click onto the shape, choose the border weight, like so, and then we can change the color. So let's go with a pink. And let's do this last one up here, just like that, border weight, color, and let's go with yellow. So there we go. That's just how simple it is to change shape border color here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.